Hi class, let's practice letter sounds. Letter names were easy, maybe. Letter sounds are not easy. Letter sounds maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe vowel, like the first letter. Vowels have 2 sounds, their name and a short sound, so long and short. A is a vowel, E is a vowel, I is a vowel, O is a vowel, and U is a vowel. We need to know vowels so we know the letter sounds. Vowels say their name, like E, and their short sound, eh. So let's do all the words together and find all the sounds. A, ah. A, ah. B, b, b. One sound. B, b, b. 2 sounds. S, s, s. K, k, k. Sometimes the S sound, sometimes the K sound. S, k. One sound. D, 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 d. E, eh, E, eh. In our class, we say ah, big A, big mouth, ah. E like this, eh, no problem, eh, eh. So we remember, ah, eh. One sound. See my teeth on my lip? 2 sounds. Maybe g, g, g. Maybe j, j, j. G, j. 1. Whisper. If we're cold outside, H, the H sound. Vowel, it says I and I, I, I. Do you see my mouth makes a funny smile? I, I. My lips are pulled this way. I, I, I. Ah, I, I, I. My mouth looks different, yes? So that's our 3rd vowel. This letter, 1 sound. J, j, j. 1 sound. K, k, k. 1 sound. L, l, l. See how my tongue goes up? L, l. 1 sound. Mm, mm. Lips together. Mm. 1 sound. Mm, mm. Lips not together. Mm. A vowel, our 4th vowel. This letter says the name O and the sound, the short sound ah, ah. ah, ah. See how my mouth is an O. Ah, ah, ah. O, ah, 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 ah. One sound. P, 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 p. This and this are different. B, b, b. P, p, p. B, b, b. P, p, p. This one is quiet. This one is loud. B, b, p, p. So this letter, the letter P, says p, p, p. Very quiet. One sound, but it's very hard. Qu, qu, qu. It sounds like K, W together. Qu, qu, qu. Like quiet or quick. One sound, very hard. R. My tongue is back. R. 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 One sound. S, 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 like a snake. S, s, s. This letter says t, t, t. Good. Uh-oh, vowel. The fifth vowel. Okay, it has two sounds. U, the name, and the short sound. These two look the same. But they sound different. This one is up here. This one is down here. I can feel the sound down here. Maybe like up, up, you, you, Good. Practice, practice. One sound. V, v. These two look the same. Look the same. V, v. Quiet. Loud. Quiet. Loud. V. W, w, w. W, w, w. This one is very hard. W, w, w. Again, one sound, very hard. X. X sounds like KS together. X, x. Like in the word box. X. Ooh, this one has many sounds, but we will practice one sound. Y, y, y. Like yo-yo. Y, y, y. One sound. Z, z, z. Zipper. Z. Let's do the vowels again. A, a. E, eh. I, O, U, Those are the letter sounds.